In this video, we're going to learn what a proportion is and some strategies for solving proportions. A proportion is a statement that we get when two ratios are equal to each other. So an example of a proportion would be that the ratio 2 to 4 is equivalent to the ratio 1 to 2. This whole equation is called a proportion. We're going to take a look at some examples of proportions where one of the parts is missing or unknown. So in this proportion, I have the ratio 5 to 12 is equivalent to the ratio question mark to 36. So the first thing that I would want to do is look to see if I can find a multiplicative relationship from one ratio to the other. So looking in my denominators of 12 and 36, I see that to get from 12 to 36, I could multiply by 3. 36 is 3 times as big as 12. In order to make an equivalent ratio or an equivalent fraction, I have to do the same to the numerator. So I'm going to multiply my numerator 5 by 3 as well, which means that the question mark is equal to 15. So the ratio 5 to 12 is equivalent to the ratio 15 to 36. Let's look at another. The ratio 16 to 100 is equivalent to the ratio question mark to 50. Here I see that to get from 100 to 50, I can divide by 2. So I'm going to do the same in the numerator and divide 16 by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So I know that my question mark in this one equals 8. In our last example, I have the ratio 18 to 24 is equivalent to the ratio 15 to question mark. I'm not sure what to divide 18 by to 15, so I'm going to look at the ratio 18 to 24 and see if I can simplify it. I know that the greatest common factor of 18 and 24 is 6, so I'm going to divide 18 and 24 by 6 so that I can rewrite this ratio. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. So the ratio 18 to 24, or the fraction 18/24, is equivalent to 3/4. This is a lot nicer because I know how to get from 3 to 15 in the numerator. I know that to get from 3 to 15, I can multiply by 5. So now in the denominator, I can multiply 4 by 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. So I get that the question mark equals 20, and I've solved my proportion.